All right, so good afternoon, guys. For those of you that did your practical yesterday, some of your colleagues have started coming to check your plates, and I've attended to some of them. But I could not, I can't stay there for that long. I did not see the rest of you, so I'm making this video so that it can guide you guys on interpreting and reading your plates. That's very, very important. So I'm going to send this. I've sent this to your course rep. So if you are seeing this, uh, that's the purpose of this video. Now, um, first of all, let me introduce myself. This is Mr. Babatunde, technologies in charge of your one of the technologies in charge of your practical. All right, so the first thing that we did that I want to say is that you are going to count for pour plate and spread plate only. You are counting the colonies for pour plate and spread plate only. You are not counting for strict plates. So strict plates, you are not interested in counting. But for pour plate and spread plate, you're going to count. So let me quickly talk about pour plate and spread plate. So you're going to count the colonies. So you guys did double plates. So for example, let's say on your first plate for NA now, if you do spread plates on NA or pour plate on NA, so the one that has spread plates. So if you have two spread plates for NA, so you count maybe on the first plate you have 20, on the second plate you have 40. So you are going to say 20 plus 40 divided by 2. That is 60 divided by 2. That is 30. So that is 30 colonies. So that's the average. You find the average of the two. So you don't need to find the colony forming units per mil if you are using a liquid, or per gram if you are using a solid. So it's going to be 60 that you have done now times dilution factor. So what do you mean by dilution factor? So if you pick from 10 raised to the power minus 4, so that your dilution factor will be 10 raised to the power 4. Then if you pick from 10 raised to the power minus 3, that is a third 2, your dilution factor is going to be 10 raised to the power 3. So you're going to say 60 times 10 raised to the power 3. 10 raised to the power 3, yes, if you're picking from this third 2, or 10 raised to the power 4 if you pick from the fourth 2. So that is 60 times dilution factor all over aliquot divided by the aliquot. So for example, if you aliquot is what you dropped on the plate, the quantity you dropped on the plate. For some, they dropped 0.1 mil. For some, they dropped 0.01 mil. So depending on what you drop on the plate. So if, let's say for your group, you drop 0.1 mil. So you're going to say 60 times 10 raised to the power 4 divided by 0.1 mil. So whatever answer you get is going to be CFU per mil. So if you are using a solid sample, it will be CFU per mil. That's going to be your unit. For example, if you use urine, okay, or use water sample,